Hi, this is David Rosell, president of Rosell Wealth Management and author of Failure's Not an Option, Creating Certainty in the Uncertainty of Retirement, and Keep Climbing, a Millennial's Guide to Financial Planning. Imagine that life is like a river with many twists and turns, and sometimes even turbulence. People buy life insurance for many reasons, as a way to protect their financial obligations, their colleagues, or their loved ones from the unknown ahead. It would be impossible to plan for everything that could happen, but buying insurance is one way to protect our survivors from financial burden. For example, Ted purchased a life insurance policy to protect his family while his children were young, and he was the sole provider. But that was many years ago. Now, they are all grown up, and he and his wife are retired. He feels that they no longer need the life insurance. The money put towards those premium payments could be better spent on enjoying their retirement, long-term care insurance, or just family needs. Or there's Sally, the founder of a company who had a business agreement funded with life insurance as a way to protect her business while it was booming. Now, that business has been sold, and she's left with life insurance she no longer needs. Or take Dr. Caldwell, for instance, who purchased a life insurance policy for a medical practice, and over time, the size of his practice changed, but his policy size remained the same, but his payments are about to increase. There are many reasons why you may have purchased your life insurance, but maybe you have reached a point when a life insurance policy just isn't something you need any longer. Some life insurance policies become too expensive over time, and you may be planning to cancel your policy. Sometimes the need for life insurance changes, and we just don't want to pay for it anymore. If you can relate, you may be a candidate for a life insurance settlement. Our firm can help in the sale of existing life insurance policies for fair market value. Consider the following candidates. The insured must be 65 or older with a life insurance policy with a death benefit of $250,000 or more. Our advisors can advocate for you as we sell your policy in exchange for a lump sum settlement that is less than the death benefit and is often higher than the cash surrender value. There are fees and costs associated with the process, and there is no guarantee that an offer will be received. And since your advisors sell your insurance through a regulated, fully disclosed auction process, you'll be able to see the bids, knowing you're working with professionals. So, don't just cancel a policy you've invested in for years. Now, with our advisors, there's an alternative solution that may help you move forward with what you really need and let you leave behind what you don't. Please note that if you decide to sell your life insurance policy in a life settlement transaction, you will be required to provide possible investors with access to your medical and other personal information. This will allow them to assess the advisability of their investment. This obligation to provide information may be ongoing even after the completion of a sale. Contact us today to find out how we can help you navigate the unique waters of life insurance settlements. Please let us advocate for you. When it comes to helping you determine the viable options for that life insurance policy that you may no longer need, failure is not an option.